Welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So this time I'm doing something different. So I'm going to do different kind of a spread today. So hope you will like this reading. And this reading is about their next move. Okay, whatever person you are thinking about, whether he or she, what about their feelings and what is happening in this connection and what will be their next move. So we will see. Okay, so I have taken only two piles because the reading is becoming too long and I'm not able to upload it in YouTube. I'm facing too many difficulties because of the internet problem. So I'm taking only two piles, which is yellow and green. We have two piles here, yellow and green. Whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. And please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody, and also these are timeless readings. Whenever you need some guidance or you need some clarity, you can check back these readings. These are timeless. Okay, whenever you need it, you can watch it and you will get some or the other idea. Okay, so thank you all my viewers and subscribers, whoever new to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm so thankful for all your love and affection and constant support you are giving to me. I read all your comments and I'm thankful to you and grateful for your comments and belief in my readings. And thank you so much. If some readings are not resonating with you, then you can watch other videos also, my other videos, or you can choose other pile as well. Okay, you can choose two piles also, but definitely you will get the clarity. Okay, that's all I can say. Then let's start today's reading with pile number one. So we have pile number one, yellow. Whoever chose this pile, this reading is for them. Okay. So as I said, I'm doing something different today. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance. What is happening in this connection? What will be their next move? Whoever chose the pile number one, yellow pile, then what is their person's next move? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Okay. What will be their next move? What will be their next move? What will be their next action? What will be their next action? What will be their next move or action? What will be their next move or action? Please give us some cards to get some clarity. Please meditate, friends, when I'm shuffling. Some people, they don't want to see the shuffling of the cards. So that time you can meditate on your person and think about your person. So all the energies will, okay, will match. All the energies will come into contact and you will get the reading. Okay. So let's see. Okay, this will be the outcome or the, actually I wanted to pull only one card, but two cards came, so I can't refuse it. So this will be the center card, will be the outcome, and also we will pull one Sacred Indian Tarot card for guidance. Okay. Okay, so these are all the cards we got. Now let's get some messages from your person. Okay, so please be patient with me. If I take the cards before, then people will say that no, you're not shuffling live. Okay, that is the reason I'm shuffling in front of you. Please be patient with me. Cards are flowing. So Okay, these are all the messages from your person. Okay, this is how this spread looks like. This is a different kind of a reading I'm doing. So please be patient. If you like, please definitely comment in my comment box so that we can see. Okay, so these are all the outcome and advice and your person's messages. So these we will see at the end of the reading. So let's start pile number 1. Let's see. So first the message, I wonder if you are happy without me. Okay, so this person is asking, I wonder if you are happy without me. Okay, this person is thinking about you all the time. That's what I can feel from this message. So this is King of Swords. Okay, so King of Swords. First card is King of Swords. That means that you are dealing with a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and this person might be divorced. King of Swords strongly says that this person had a relationship earlier, and he came out of the relationship. Now he's single. Okay, King of Swords means this person is rich, wealthy, and also it is not necessary that he should be abundant, but this person is a very strong personality and lot of ego, narcissism, then controlling personality, and this person is definitely a divorced person. For whomever it is resonating, please take it like that, because the King of Swords always represents the divorced person. This person is controlling, he's controlling his emotions, he's not expressing his emotions. Maybe for many of you, I feel that this person didn't express his love towards you. Okay, so this person never told how he feels or she feels exactly. Okay, so that is a lot of secrets. Maybe this person is egoistic, so this person never expressed his feelings clearly or truthfully, okay, honestly. So this person is like, I am the king, why should I? So that kind of feeling this person is having, but internally this person misses you a lot, and he always 24/7 he thinks about you. But the thing is, he is little bit controlling, narcissism. He wants to have a upper hand in the relationship, he wants to have a control on this connection. So that's what I can say from the first card. Let's see the second card. I have thought of taking a trip with you. So this person is telling, I have thought of it, taking a trip with you. So this person is missing you and want to have alone time, like alone time with you, and he want to take you for a trip. Okay, so this is Ace of Swords. This clearly shows that this person want to have a new beginning in this connection. Maybe you both are not talking. Even a King of Swords, sometimes it says that some blockage is there in your communication, so somebody is not talking to each other, so you have some blockage in this connection. So this person want to cut off all the misunderstandings, then all the problems in your connection, and this person want to have a new beginning. So Ace of Swords always says that it is a new beginning in this connection. So we are asking about how this person feels and what is their next action. So this person's next action will be the new beginning of this relationship, but this person will not come so softly. So this person will be little arrogant, then ferocious, and maybe sometimes it will start with a fight also, small fight, but it entirely depends upon you how you deal with the person. Okay, so this person will not come with a very soft tone. Okay, this person will come towards you like questioning you, quarreling you, fighting with you. Why did you block me, or why did you do this? Something happened between you which caused no communication. So this person will definitely come towards you. He wants a new beginning, he is missing you, this person. So definitely this person will come to you, but the coming back will be a blast. Okay, but that is entirely up to you how to deal with this person. As you know this person very well, you know how to handle this person's anger or temperament. Okay, now let's see. Don't be angry at me. So this person clearly knows what mistake he has done or she has done. So this person is telling, don't be angry at me. So the second card is the Sun card. Okay, so this person want to have happiness with you. He looks at you as a sun, as a bright, you are the light for his life. He thinks that you are the sunshine, which brightens his life, and he feels very positive about you. And I can see clearly see there is a child also involved in this connection. Maybe you are a single mom, or this person is having a child. There is something is there, like the child is involved in this connection, but he feels that if you come into their life will be in a proper manner, bright, shine, happiness. He looks at you like you are the happiness for this person, and he wants to unite with him, unite with you. Okay, so very positive card in this reading. The next card is wishing you were with me right now. So this clearly shows that this person is missing you a lot. He is missing you every minute, every moment of his life. He's telling that wishing you were with me right now. So every moment he is missing you. Okay, let's see. So Nine of Cups. This is also a very positive card. So this person is feeling next step is fulfillment. Okay, after 9 it is 10 means completion, so that will be the engagement or marriage or living together, something like that. But this person is ready for you, and ready to commit for you, commit with you, and this person is patiently waiting for the right time. You can see how this person is sitting. He is confident now. He is very much decided now. Earlier he was indecisive. He was not sure whether to contact you or communicate with you or give the commitment with you, but now this person is ready to commit towards you. He wants to come towards you and offer the cup of love. And this person is very much single. If you are thinking that this person is married or this person is into relationship with somebody else, no, this person is very much a bachelor and very much living single, and he's waiting, and he's concentrating on his money, emotions, mental health, physical health. Okay, so this person is very attractive, charming, and because of that only you both had a very strong attraction towards each other. This person looks at you like a sun, and you look at him like a wish fulfillment. So both of you had a very deep connection, strong connection, which is unbreakable. That is the reason you are watching this video, to know about this person's next move or actions or feelings. Okay, so this person is definitely thinking about you. He's single. He's not looking for anybody else. Now he's decided, determined that he will commit to you. Okay, earlier he was not ready for the commitment, but now this person is ready to commit to you. So next card is I am waiting for your call or text. Okay, this is for sure, because King of Swords is there. This person is egotistical, and this person will not contact you very soon. This person want you to contact. Okay, even I feel that whoever is watching this reading, whoever is viewer who chose this yellow color seashell, they are also not less. Okay, they are also very strong person, strong personality, very egotistical and very powerful. My viewers also are not very less. Okay, my viewer is also very strong, powerful, and whether it is a lady or a man, so they are standing on their ground. Why should I? So even the same question for viewers also, why should I communicate first? When he has done the mistake, when she has done the mistake, they should come back to me. Why should I? So the same thing is coming from your energy also. Then this person is waiting for your call or text. Okay, so this person is eagerly waiting. Now he's in suffering stage. Now he don't know what you are thinking, what you are feeling, whether you have moved on with somebody else, or whether you still love him or not. So this person is in an anxious state. So this person is asking you to call or text. Okay, the High Priestess. So I feel that you are dealing with Virgo. Then I can see that Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and also I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then Leo, Aries. Okay, then High Priestess, Virgo. So there are some secrets this person is not revealing to you. Also, I can see that there is some old lady in this connection interfering. Maybe that is his person's mother or your mother, his sister or your sister. So somebody is there strongly influencing this connection. Okay, High Priestess means a lady, feminine person, feminine personality, who is very intellectual, very powerful, and very intelligent person, who knows how to deal with people, who knows how to control the situation. That's that kind of elderly lady. Okay, so that lady will be definitely elder to you or elder to this person. That lady is affecting this connection. So maybe this lady is not like a wrong person or has bad intentions, but this lady is definitely, she will look at the situation, whether this person is right for my son or my daughter, whether this person is right for my sister or a brother. So this person is very much influencing your connection, and definitely you or your person will take her opinion. Without her will, they won't act. Okay, so that is what I can see. Some interference is there. Now let's see. Are you happy without me? This came twice, friends, so that it is very strong. Okay, this person is asking, are you happy with me? Even earlier also we got the same card. I wonder if you are happy without me. We got another card also. So definitely this message is very strong for you. Okay, that person is wondering whether you are happy or not, because you are not sharing anything with him, right? You are not sharing his feelings, you are not giving any clue, not even a social media. You are not giving any clue how you are feeling, what you are doing, with whom you are not giving any clue to him. So this person is now anxious, and this person want to come behind you, chase you. He wants to conquer you, get you, because the King of Swords, this person is very much determined to get you. Okay, so now Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so this person, king is here, queen is here. This person looks at you as a queen, his person, his queen. Okay, this person definitely feels that you are his queen, you are a wife material, perfect partner for him. You are abundant, you are beautiful, you are attractive, you are powerful. So this person looks at you like you are his queen. Okay, king and queen next to each other. So definitely you both will marry in future, because I can see king and queen in the same spread. That means it is a very powerful that both of you will definitely be together in future. Okay, this is a very positive reading. Now let's see the outcome. So outcome message, I want to hug you. Okay, this person is feeling desperate, passionate for you. So he's saying that I want to hug you. Then long distance relationship. So definitely I feel this is a long distance relationship. If it is correct, please comment in the comment section, friends. I surely feel that this relationship confirm. Okay, so now let's see the outcome cards. Okay, outcome card. Okay, chariot is always the movement. You and your person are definitely moving into the next level. If suppose you are just a lovers now, you will be moving ahead towards engagement, or if you are already engaged, you will go towards the marriage. So definitely it will level up. And also it says that you both are concentrating on yourself. You are also concentrating on your money, health, career, and this person is also doing the same. So you both are concentrating on yourself, right? So outcome is that Two of